Hello, and welcome to another episode of On Track with Rey. Today I want to talk to you about a new model that we recently received from Austria, from a small company called Jägendorfer. And what we received is the brand new Jägendorfer Railbus. These Railbuses ran in Germany and Austria. In Germany, they were known as the VT 92.3, and the Austrian Railroad classified these rail buses as the OBB 5044s. What's unique about this model, and the reason why we're doing a video on it, is we were playing with this model the other day, and I have to tell you, we really enjoyed playing with it. It is an exceptional model. What I personally love about it is you get a lot of these rail cars on the market today and they don't have any weight to them, And this model is extremely heavy. You can't believe how heavy it is. It has a massive motor with a flywheel. This model is completely digital. It has full interior with a cab illumination. It has, reversing digital LED lights. And what's really unique about this model is, and what makes it kind of special, is the simple fact that we took the analog versions of these Railbus and we added a high-end decoder and we really enhanced the sound. One of our digital experts, he's really good with the software program, and we added, a special sound library, making our version probably the best one on the market. So we took a video of this model running a little bit with all the light features and the sound features. We're going to show that to you in a minute. And one other important thing I want to mention, this version that we have right now is the German Era 2 version. It's painted in kind of like a Wehrmacht gray. It's got the German eagles on the side. And so it's a great model for those of you that model in Era 2, or that like military modeling in World War II. Jägendorfer also makes this version in the Austrian versions in blue and cream, and like an Era 3 and Era 4 version. Those we can also get for you if you're interested. But watch our video and see for yourself how amazing this model is. And let's go over to the layout right now and let's fire it up. Well, I hope you enjoyed our footage on this great new model. Like I mentioned before, in our opinion, we think this is a really great model for many, many reasons. At this time, we offer two different versions. We have an analog version, which only sells for $249. And then our amazing enhanced version with our great sound files and our installation and everything with all the lighting, that model sells for $424.95. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and check back often for great videos like this. Thank you very much.